All right, back. I'm back. We're going to very quickly do the rest of these things. I think I left off on number 15. 15 looks like this. 4 to the x times 2 to the x plus 3 equals 16 to the 2x minus 5. Step 1, I'm going to rewrite this. Step 1, I'm going to rewrite this as a power of 2. This is 2 squared to the x times 2 to the x plus 3. 16 is 2 to the 4th to the 2x minus 5. These can multiply and I get 2 to the 2x times 2 to the x plus 3 equals 2 to the. This 4 multiplies with all of this. Use the distributive property 8x minus 20. When I multiply, I get 2 to the 2x plus x plus 3. 2x plus x is 3x plus 3 equals 2 to the 8x minus 20. I can equate this equals this. 3x plus 3 equals 8x minus 20. Subtract 8x from both sides. Subtract 3 from both sides. Divide both sides by negative 5. X equals 23 over 5. All right, that's number 15. Number 16, g of x equals ln of x. I want to move that to get this new equation, ln of x plus 1 plus 2. In order to move this to x plus 1, I need to move this. In order to move this graph looks like this. The x plus 1 is going to shift this to the left 1 unit, and the plus 2 is going to shift it up 2 units. So this graph, which has a vertical asymptote at 0, will now have a vertical asymptote at negative 1. This point, which was at 1, 0, will now go left 1 point, and up 2, it'll be now at 0, 2. The new curve will look like this. We don't need to really say any of that for this answer. All we say is that it goes left 1 unit and up 2 units. That is A in the multiple choice problem. Number 17. We know that T of W equals 75 over 1 plus 2e to the negative 0.5 w. I'm going to solve for this w. Step 1, I'm going to multiply both sides by this. Step 2, I'm going to divide both sides. Well, I guess I'll use the I'm going to divide both sides by this. I won't use the distributive property. Step 3, I will subtract 1 from both sides. Step 4, I will divide both sides by 2, and that looks like this. Step 5, I need to chop this down from the tree. How do we do that? We use logs. I get negative 0.5 w equals the natural log of 75 over 2t of w minus 1/2. This is the same as negative 1/2 w. So to get rid of the negative 1/2, I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 2, and I get w equals negative 2 ln of 75 over 2t of w minus 1/2. I can rewrite this so I have one fraction. This is negative 2 ln of 75 minus t of w over 2t of w done, which is not given in the multiple choice because I made a mistake when I wrote the answer problem. Sorry about that. Number 18. Given y equals the natural log of x minus 2 plus 1. A. Sketch the graph. Dun, 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 dun. This has a vertical asymptote at positive 2. 1, 2. And the graph will cross the x-axis 1 unit to the right, like so. The coordinates of this point is 1, 2, 3, 0. Oh, I forgot to move it up 1 unit. Let's start again. Y equals ln of x minus 2 plus 1. Dun, 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 dun. This will have a vertical asymptote at 2. This point, which was at 1, 0, will move 2 units to the right and 1 unit up. So this will be at 3, 1. It will go up like so. There's the graph. Let's see. Sketch the graph. Label the asymptote. The asymptote is x equals 2. And the x-intercept. When does this cross the x-axis? It crosses the x-axis when this equals 0. ln of x minus 2 plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 1 from both sides. Equals negative 1. Raise both sides to e. I get x minus 2 equals e to the negative 1. Add 2 to both sides. X equals e to the negative 1 plus 2. This x-axis is at e to the negative 1 plus 2, 0. Sorry for that mess. Write an expression for the y-intercept. There is no y-intercept. Give the domain and range. The domain is x, such that x is greater than, what's this number? 2. And the range is y, such that y is an element of all real numbers.